I'm Chantrey. Today I have a special guest that I'm going to be interviewing, especially for your viewing pleasure. Would you please welcome a wonderful guest and a wonderful friend of mine, Crazy Cat Pete. Where is he? Come on, Pete. Pete. Here he is.
Hi, everybody!
Hello,
I'm
Pete.
Crazy
How are you
Cat
today?
Pete. Woo! Crazy Cat Pete! Meow!
Well, he's always been loud. So Pete, firstly, I want to know, who is your...
Guess what? I was skating down a roller cycle.
Shut up.
And I found some Mickeys. And they said, Mickey? I said no. There's a bunch of lollycockers on the Muncie Moon.
So Pete, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Oscar Mayer, the wiener hot dog.
Yeah, well, me and him never did get on. But you know, we can't all have great tastes, can we?
There's a camera over there. There's a cam. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, hello.
So
want
Pete,
to hear a joke?
No.
He's a real funny joke.
I don't have time for jokes.
Yeah, want to hear my joke?
I'm trying to do an interview here.
No, I got a joke to tell you. No. Oh, did you say who's there? I said, hello, who's there? I think I told that one already.
Very sorry.
The chickens, they said, Crazy Cat. And I said,
No, we don't want to hear about the chickens.
And they said,
Let's sit with him and the chickens.
we just gave them to the laundromat to be
Look, Pete,
washed.
no, when you and I last spoke, there was
you're silly. You're silly makers. Everybody. You see that? I'm going to sing a song. Want to hear my song?
No, don't sing. Don't.
It's a pretty song. Hear my pretty song? Sing it for you.
Singing is not a very good idea.
And I sing a meow meow while I eat my cheetah chow. Yeah,
This is pointless, isn't it?
Oh, you're silly. You're silly. You're a cookie monster.
Pete, go away. Go away. We'll be back again some other time. I've been Chantrey. He's been with that cat. Bye.